I'm Steve, and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. Today, we're going to talk about the last 5 signs of a home remodeling imposter and how to identify one when they knock on your door. Number 6, they push you to one choice or another, rarely listening to what you want. If a contractor tries to push you to only one choice and pressure you to spend more money on the higher cost option, they only care about making the sale and getting the most money out of you. This contractor does not care about your wants or needs. How can you spot this imposter? This contractor will not listen to what your needs are and will make you feel very pressured into the decision they want you to make. Overall, you just won't feel heard when meeting with this company. Number 7, they pressure you into buying from them on the same day. Along with not listening to your wants and pushing you into one decision, an imposter contractor will also pressure you to purchase from them on the same day you meet with them. This company, again, only cares about taking your money and making a sale. They don't actually care about what's best for you and your home and are only thinking about themselves. How can you spot this imposter? If you've already scheduled a consultation with a contractor, meeting with them at your home or in their place of business, and they make it seem like signing a contract that day is your only option, that's a huge red flag. Number 8, they don't provide you with a full detailed project proposal. If you don't receive a highly detailed proposal, including things like a cost breakdown of your project, what to expect for installation, warranty information, and contact information, how do you know what you are truly getting from your project? A high-quality contractor will ensure all aspects of your project are outlined in the proposal so that when you sign that contract, you know exactly what to expect. How can you spot this imposter? If they provide you with a project proposal that leaves you confused, doesn't specify the products you chose, or just has a price attached to it, that's a red flag. Number 9, they don't follow through with what they promise. This could occur at any point of contact in your process with this company. If a contractor promised you they would send you an email, call you back, or respond to your text ASAP, and then they don't, how can you trust they will follow through with what they promised on your project? How can you spot this imposter? Maybe you gave them a call and they promised to set you up to meet with a consultant, but you never heard anything after that. Maybe you met with a consultant and they promised to send you a proposal the next day, but they don't until 2 weeks later. That's a red flag. And finally, number 10. You cannot get a hold of them after you've tried to contact them. This can occur before or after you even meet with a consultant. Similar to a contractor not following through with their promises, do you really want to work with a company you can't even get in contact with? How can you spot this imposter? If you've already had contact with a company, then suddenly can't get a hold of them, this is a sign to run. Even if you've already met with the company, they promise to contact you but haven't, and you can't get a hold of them, you don't want to work with this company. That's a huge red flag. Now that you know how to identify a faulty home remodeling contractor, you may want to take it a step further and know what mistakes to avoid to ensure you chose the right contractor for you. To help you out, we linked a video above that will outline 5 common mistakes to avoid when hiring a home remodeling contractor. Then you will have the right information to know what makes a low-quality contractor and know what mistakes to avoid to find the right company for you. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.